precious slipped away. But now I see in every line a life that learned to take its time.